Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert new plugins into your website. So just to start, you may be wondering what exactly is a plugin. So a plugin gives you a little bit of extra functionality than your general WordPress will give you. So there may be little bits and pieces that you might want to add on to your WordPress site, and it doesn't come with the out-of-the-box product. So there's plenty of plugins available, and they're just small add-ons that give you little bits and pieces that you can add to your site. So for example, you can add a calendar as a plugin, or you could also add some social sharing buttons like Twitter and Facebook buttons to each and every blog post that you post up. You can even get plugins which help to stop spam coming through from all your blog posts, so you don't get inundated with lots of, kind of dodgy advertising emails that come through as spam. So plugins you could see as an add-on really to the existing base of your WordPress website. So really anything that you can think of that you might want to add into your website, it's worth doing a search using Google or even using the plugins area of your WordPress site just to see if there's anything available that might meet your needs. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you actually how to install a plugin, and in this example I'm going to show you how to, I'm going to use the image widget as an example. So an image widget will allow you to post an image on your sidebar as a widget. So for example, you could use a photo of yourself and then have a link on that photo to your About page. That doesn't come with the out-of-the-box functionality on WordPress, so I need to find a plugin to do it. Okay, so first of all, in your WordPress admin area, you need to go into the plugins section. So if you have a look down your left-hand side navigation, you'll see there is an option for plugins. So if you click on that, it will bring up a list of all the plugins that you currently have installed on your site. So up the top, you'll see there's an Add New button. So if I click on that, it will bring up the search page. And I know that this particular widget is called Image Widget. So I'm going to search for that. Okay, and then we can see that there's lots and lots of different results for that search, but the one up the top called simply Image Widget is the one I was after. So I'm going to click on Install Now under Image Widget, and that says, are you sure you want to do this? I'm just going to click OK. And there we go, that's installing. So now I need to just tell the system that I actually want to activate this plugin. So you do need to be a little bit careful around plugins. It's worth actually, having a look into the reviews and seeing if it's got a good number of reviews against the plugin, because they are a piece of code, if you like, and there can be some malicious code that's programmed into a plugin. So you could inadvertently install something, that may do a little bit of harm to your site. It's not very common, I must say, but it's worth double checking. So that's why it's good to have that kind of double check that WordPress does, where it says, are you actually sure that you want to activate this? So there we go, I've activated it, and you can see now that Image Widget appears in my list of plugins that I've activated. And so if you want to see how to actually use this particular widget, which is Image Widget, check out my other video, which is all based around Image Widget. So I hope that's been helpful. That's how to install a plugin on your website.